Okay, here we are. Well, I went all out and stayed at the Pan Pacific Hotel, which is just where the cruise ships come in. I think the access to the cruise ship is down in one of the lower levels, the parking levels. Anyhow, have a look at this place. This is just coming in. There's a mirrored closet here. Nice big closet with a safe too. And a very nice looking washroom. I guess a shower, bathtub, sink, and a separate room for the toilet. Actually, this door, that's neat. This door closes both ways. You can close it here, or you can just close it for the toilet. That's neat. Best part about this room now is the view. Here's the bed. It's a nice bed. I don't know, I haven't tried it yet, so I haven't jumped on it yet. Nice TV. Desk. Nice little chair to sit down and relax and watch the view outside. And here's the view outside. This is the port itself. So tomorrow morning the ship should be just down below us here. They have a nice pool down there. Look at that. Huge pool. I was just down there earlier today. I had lunch. But look at that mountain view. That's really beautiful. Yeah, tomorrow I should be able to see the ship right below me here. Or, yeah, around there somewhere. Or maybe down that way. Just the view was worth it here. Still snow on the mountaintops, eh? A lot of sailing, a lot of sail boats down that way. There's a dock there, I guess. It's all docks. And you get a little bit of view of the downtown area there. Look at the roof on that building. It's grass, eh? I've heard of those. I've heard of those types of roofs. Never seen one from the top, anyway. Anyhow, I'll turn this on again tomorrow morning when the ship is there. Alright, we're here outside at night here. Taking a shot of the whole harbor area. In Vancouver, the cruise terminal. There's the cruise terminal there. Canada Place. My room's up there somewhere. 19th floor. Well, it's morning and no ship. I think the ship is on the other side. So was it worth paying the extra 35 bucks for this side? I think so. We still had a nice view. I'll be going downstairs and walk around to the other side and film the ship from the main floor there. It's still a beautiful view here. It really is. I think there's a bridge in the distance here. I forgot what they call it. I think we have to go under that bridge. Thought I saw it somewhere in one of the videos.
It may be the jurisdiction where we got the greatest return on investment. If we look at the other example that you mentioned in Alberta, we put money on.
It's a great view, though.
Precisely Alberta's population.
Was the room worth it?
In communities right across the
As far as price goes, as far as any other amenities, I mean, it's nice that it's in the same building as the cruise ship terminal. I checked out the dinner buffet last night. $80 for a dinner buffet, for a buffet. I didn't think it was worth it. I went somewhere else. This morning I did have breakfast down, and I did have breakfast down there. $42 for a breakfast buffet. Was it worth it? The eggs were cold. The scrambled eggs were cold. The coffee was good. Orange juice was good. Otherwise, yeah, it's a buffet worth maybe $20.
I've not yet seen that that's something that they're interested in doing, but if they are,
I guess because of who they are and where they are, price is double.
A pleasure, as always. Thanks, Bashi.
So yeah, as far as the room itself, very nice. The bed was so-so. It was nothing special. The rest was normal for a high-end, a higher end hotel, but and the view, of course, the view is, you pay for that. Anyhow, it was all right. I'm in the same building as the cruise terminal, so I don't have to walk anywhere. Just down to the basement level. Take the elevator down, I'm there. So yeah, I guess it was worth it, but there were some few things that I didn't like about it. So anyhow, I'm gonna go and film the ship for a while.